Hey y'all, Kitchen Trap Queen here with some Philly chicken cheesesteak sliders, and I did make these on Hawaiian rolls, so you know they're gonna be bomb. If you're interested in learning how to make these, stay tuned. I'm starting off with my chicken. These are 6 chicken tenderloins, and this is about a half a pound of them, and I'm going to season it with some onion powder and garlic powder. Speaking of, I saw a meme on Facebook that says, somebody tell black people that onion powder and garlic powder don't go with everything. I was like, yes it does. What is it on? Anywho, I'm just gonna season my chicken tenderloins with some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, some smoked paprika. And once again, y'all, I apologize. I do not have the measurements. What do I always say? Let your ancestors lead you. Once I was done with my chicken, I went ahead and started cutting up my vegetables. I have a half of a red bell pepper, half of a green bell pepper, half of an onion, and about 6 ounces of white mushrooms chopped. And then to a skillet, I added a couple of tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I just started to cook my chicken about 5 to 10 minutes on each side. And I'm gonna apologize, y'all. The lighting sucks for this clip. It will get better. Once your chicken is done, remove it from the heat. And to that same skillet, we're gonna add in our veggies. And I did add in a little bit of salt to get it started. You know how salt pretty much draws all the water out of your vegetables. So I added some salt, and then I just kept stirring. And this recipe really didn't take that long, guys. Most of my recipes are really literally under 30 minutes. Yeah, so this was a quick recipe, especially if you are using leftover chicken or chicken that's already seasoned. Yes, this recipe can be made under 30 minutes. I was about to say with under, y'all. Here I am adding in some pepper and some minced garlic, and then you'll see me add in some soy sauce as well. Hopefully by the time I make this again, I will have the actual measurements for you guys. I'm sorry, I'm a home cook, so I'm not used to measuring my food as I cook. So bear with me. As you can see, I am going to add my chopped chicken back to the skillet, and we're just gonna warm it up just a little bit. You don't wanna cook it too long because it will make your chicken a little dry. Now I'm just gonna show you guys how I cut my Hawaiian rolls. I just usually turn them to the side using a bread knife, and I go along the edges until eventually it'll meet in the middle, and then I kind of lift it up and continue cutting until I'm able to remove that top layer. Usually when I am trying to find a good Hawaiian roll package, I feel the tops of them to see which one is the sturdiest, and that's the one that I choose. So because these rolls, as y'all know, are super soft and they are kind of difficult to cut, so try to feel the tops of them to see which ones are the sturdiest. And then once I get it removed, I'm going to add on a thin layer of mayo, not Miracle Whip. I don't know why black folks think that Miracle Whip is mayonnaise. It's not, y'all. It's salad dressing. The reason why they call it salad dressing is because you put it in salads like tuna salad, potato salad, pasta salad, stuff like that. And then on top of that, I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken and peppers to this, and I'm using some provolone cheese as well, and you will see that in the next clip. Here's my provolone cheese. Honestly, I could have added more cheese, but I didn't want to go too crazy. And then I added the top back onto this, and I took a little bit of melted butter and I added some pepper and some onion powder to this butter, and I just brushed it on top. It was really good. Like I said, y'all, next time I make this, I will try to update the measurements in the ingredients for you guys. On top of our sliders, we're just gonna make a loose tint with some foil and place it in a 400-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes until your cheese is melted and your tops are browned. And then I did go back on top with that butter that I made, and that's it, guys. Philly chicken cheesesteak sliders. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video.